Today I'm going to work on my Petcock on my gas tank. It leaks. I'm going to drill these out to 2.5 millimeter holes. I'll make sure I'm parallel this way and this way. Now I'm going to drill out these a little bigger so I can take the top plate off. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more. It should pop off there. There you go. Alright, this is what you're going to replace. This is what's leaking. Look, this is brittle. Well, Honda still makes these. This is the part number. Make sure all these holes are clean. These are all clean, but if not, you have to clean this. Now you got that off, you can tap this. Use a 3 millimeter tap. You can put the tap on your drill and tap these, only aluminum. But when you hit the bottom, you can strip the threads, so you gotta be real careful. Just stick it in there. Your plate. And this one fell on the ground. Spring washer. This is on the wrong side here. It's supposed to be on this side. And you make sure this is nice and smooth inside here. No grooves. This is perfectly clean. Clamp this here. Nice and easy on the vise. I'm just going to put my old 3 millimeter bolt here. My other one here. Take a socket here. Yeah, all good. On, off. I'm gonna put that on my bike. All right, that's it. Pretty simple. Parts are only a couple bucks at the Honda to still sell them. And if you like this video, you can click on the thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel. Click below. Thank you for watching.